welcome back to my channel. My name is Dreamhome. I'm coming to you from Lusaka, Kabangwe area. I'm at a hardware called OdettaRockhead-Kerr, and I'm going to show you what they have inside, but I came here looking for plumbing pieces for my toilet. And if you are in the area and you don't want to go to town, this is the perfect place to get your hardware. So let me show you what's inside. What else do you sell?
Here in the hardware of plumbing stuff, the paints, whatever you can use, all social, you know.
Okay. So if somebody is looking to do some painting, do you carry paint as well?
Painters we have, yeah.
Okay, I see enamel. What is that there? Is that varnish at the end?
No.
Gloss enamel?
That's one?
Yeah.
Your thinners, yeah.
Oh, those are thinners for paint.
And also spirit of salt for cleaning the toilet pans.
Okay.
Okay.
So you have a lot here. Do you sell roofing sheets as well?
Roofing sheets we sell, but they are finished, as you can see.
I see. Okay. So I'm going to show, I'm trying to avoid showing the lady here. So there are toilets. Okay, and their prices are pretty good. So if you don't want to go into town, look at all this. There's a lot. Oh, I'm going to need one of these showers. So they have mixers and showers here. They have a lot going on. So you're welcome to check out their store. They haven't paid me to advertise. I'm just doing what a good Samaritan does when they find a good product. So welcome back to my channel. I am at 6 miles. There's a hardware store. I'm looking for a system for my toilet. So this is a plastic one. This is what I can afford right now. So I'll show you how to install it at home. Those of you who are not familiar with my channel, my name is Dreamhome and I am in Lusaka, Zambia, bringing you information on building. If you haven't followed my building journey yet, you should go to my channel and you'll see a lot of information about the building process here in Zambia. So the owner of the store is hiding somewhere there. I'm trying to bring customers to him. But if you're near 6 miles, you don't have to go to the town. There are many hardware stores that sell a lot of stuff. So this is one thing. You can see lots of things there. And toilets, show the toilet. Can you see it? Can you see? But I'm looking for a small sink. So we'll probably have to go somewhere else. So I'm here at 6 miles buying all kinds of stuff for my building. And let me give you a 360. This is what it looks like. There are a lot of hardware stores here that you can buy different things for. Okay, so that's 6 miles in Lusaka. What's the name of your shop? Ati? Kucha Kucha.
Kuche Kuche.
Kucha Kuche.
Kuche Kuche hardware.
Kucha Kuche hardware. Kucha Kuche chimini ngati kwanje?
Kwacha.
Kwacha. Oh, Kucha Kuche mchivemba? Ah, okay, thank you. Okay, my flash doors ni zingati?
400.
So he has flash doors here. Paints. to look for more stuff for the bathroom, and trying to be careful here. And this is Great North Road. Where's the hardware? Have we passed it? Yeah, still. So I'm in another hardware store looking for hand basins. We were not able to buy everything in one place, so we had to come to several places. And I'm just buying that one little corner hand basin for my bathroom. Everything is temporary. Yeah. So the lady is looking for one. And I just bought one of these brooms. So this is the hardware store where I bought my hand basin. I have a lot of stuff here. And this is the little strip. So this is the hand basin. But I'm checking in. I'm just inspecting to make sure nothing is cracked. This is the guest bathroom. We are going to set up a temporary shower. And that's the toilet. I'm getting ready to set this up so that guests can use it temporarily until I'm ready to install tiles and a full shower. So this is what it looks like for now. And that's where a sink will go. So this is a small project that I'm working on. And as you can see, we have some pan bricks here. Getting ready to work on that. So there's a slope going all the way to that water outlet there. So my towels tingapake yamshao.
Omuka?
So this is the first layer, and then you put another layer so that the water can slant going in that direction. So pazankala malaya yangati? Okay. So tilindila first yume, how many hours? Okay, so muzasiriza then tiende kuja kugula vinangwa so that you make. Okay. So we're putting the second layer of the base to create a slope. Sapo bucket hapa basi kitamwini. So cement mix mwachita mix bunch.
Cement kairi. Half. Kapo half uyu kwa cement kairi mafuta pakako.
So half sand, half cement.
pamwamba ukaanza kusimenti futi.
Okay. So this is how far we've gone. We have a floor on the shower, and this is what it looks like right now. I have a temporary vinyl carpet because I'm here to tile my bathroom. This will work for now for my guests. Until we complete the work. So that is my temporary bathroom. That is my temporary guest bathroom. This is the final product. That's the toilet. Everything flushes real good. And that's the shower. That's the shower. It's still drying. And this is the sink. Pointing there. Nice little sink. So we're going to pour some water to see if everything goes out okay. See how it's draining. The pressure looks like it's very good. Standpoint per yeah, it drained very, very fast. So that tells me it's working. And now I'm going to go outside to see the drainage. So now I came outside to test to make sure the water is coming out okay. Pressure is good, so that means that I don't see any leaks here. I'm back to buy a door for my bathroom. It's just a flash door, so I'm going to show you once I install it back at this hardware store where I was a few days ago. So this is what it looks like. Okay, good. Yeah, so let's see how we do. I'll show you the end result. See you soon. I'm looking for a door frame to go with that flash door. So this is, how many millimeters is this?
0.7.
So this is 0.7. It's kind of a little bit flimsy, so I'm going to go for the other one. Move this one. Move it out of the way so I can see it. So this is here. Seems to be a bit more stable. So we just have to turn it around. We don't have to do anything else. Oh, okay. Because I want the door to open.
No problem.
I see. Okay. All right. So this is the door frame we've chosen, and I will show you what it looks like when it's finally installed. So we are putting in the door frame. closing up the top.